Hey guys, how's it going? So I'm trying something new today. This is I'm working on a 16 Chevy 3500 HD dually, and it had brake issues, and they took it to a dealer and they couldn't seem to fix it. So what I found, and I've already got it tore apart, I should have started this video before, is this. So the caliper, which isn't here right now, the caliper came completely apart. The guts blew out of it and it extended all the way and then would not release. So the reason I'm making this video is on these 1-tons, in order to get to the rotor, because this rotor is trash, and I'll show you this here real quick. See this here? This is supposed to be the same thickness on this side as it is this side. So that caliper, you can see where it rubbed, it came apart and it was rubbing down here, and you can see this lip right here. That's how much of it's been eaten off, because a pad straight up came out of it, and that's not a good deal. But there's the hub of the truck, and in order to get that rotor off, you have to pull a hub off, and in order to pull the hub off, you have to pull axle out. So axle is right here. Anyway, in case you were wondering, or try to figure out why it costs so much to put new rotors on the rear of a 1-ton Chevy, this is part of the reason why. It's pretty labor intensive. But if you do this yourself, make sure that you check this bearing down here. This bearing at the bottom, and your inner bearing. Make sure that they're smooth, there's nothing in them, etc., etc. And then this race that's built in to the hub, make sure that there's no damage there. Because the worst thing in the world, when you get all this back together, then you find out, well, we got an issue here. So make sure you do that. All right, this is my first video. Like and share. There may be more to come. Thanks, guys.